Blueberry apple ice cream smoothie, a very delicious dessert drink which can be made easily at home. Today we are going to make blueberry apple ice cream smoothie. The ingredients are 100 to 125 grams of blueberry. Here we have taken dried blueberry, but if you get the fresh ones, those are very good. The next ingredient is 2 apples. These are fresh ones. So the more fresh, the better. Now peel the apples and take off all the skin. So do this for the rest of the apple. Peel and cut the apple into small pieces. Now the apple has been peeled and cut into small pieces. This can be used for making the smoothie. Put in the blueberries into the grinder. Now pour in some water, around 50 ml. Put in the apple pieces which we had cut earlier. Close and grind all the ingredients well in the grinder. Now the blueberry and the apple have been finely ground in the grinder. Now pour in 200 to 300 ml of milk. Into the mixture. Put in the ice cream. Around 2 scoops. Close the lid and grind once more so that all the ingredients are completely mixed with each other in the grinder. If you need a little more sweetness, you can add a spoon of honey, which we are not going to, as the ice cream itself is sweet. If you need it to be more healthy, we can completely take off the ice cream from the list of ingredients. Now all the ingredients have been finely mixed and the blueberry apple ice cream smoothie is ready and can be served. Now pour in the blueberry apple ice cream smoothie into the glass. This is the final blueberry apple ice cream smoothie. A very tasty and delicious dessert drink which can be made easily at home. If you want to make it more healthy, you can skip the ice cream ingredient fully and add honey, or without honey, whichever is good for you. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.